You've made a mistake and need to go back to a previous saved game. Let me show you how. Note your saved game title. I'm actually going to pop in and show you what my current game looks like where I made the mistake. So just to show you the health of the animals after I fast forwarded 3 months. They're looking okay except for the cows. What I should have done over that 3-month period was tend to the animals and not look at the mod that I was trialing. So I'm going to show you what the game looks like at the moment, so you can do a comparison between the current game and the previous game. Heading across to the field that's opposite the farm, and you'll see that it's in crop. This is not what I wanted. I should have spent the 3 months manicuring and landscaping, and instead a crop grew on it. And I'll just pull in here. Now across there is a storage shed that should be full of straw and hay. There's only one bale in it. I should have spent the 3 months preparing hay and baling the hay and also baling straw. And then I'm just going to pop down the street here because I'll show you what distracted me and how I spent the 3 months in the game. So down the back here behind all the animal pens, I dropped a oil mill extend mod and a potato factory mod, and I wanted to fast forward to test the capacity of the oil mill. What you need to do is quit the game and then exit the game entirely. And then we're going to go back to a previous game. We do this by opening your file explorer and then find the folder called documents. Then locate the file folder my games, and we open that, and FS22, and you would think you'd go to saved game and the title that you saw, but you actually go to the save game backup and then look for your save game title. So my game was game number 9, and then these dates were when I was experimenting and fast forwarding 3 months. Now just to note, you don't need to go back to the immediate previous version of the game. You can go to any version and then make that the current version. So I would like to make this one the current version now. So right click, copy, then we navigate back, and then right click, paste. This drops it in as a copy. Then we go to the current saved game and we're going to delete that. Then the copied one, we right click on it and rename, and that needs to take the name of save game and then the number. We exit out of this and then come back into the game will pick up the change. When we come back into the game now, it will pick up the change. It'll be the previous version. So to just demonstrate that, we're going to have a look at the animals. Now they do look worse for wear than previously, but this is because where I was in the game prior to fast forwarding 3 months was tending to the animals. So my priority should have been harvesting and creating hay and gathering straw to feed the animals and provide them with bedding, but I got distracted by a mod. Alright, let's hop into the ute and travel across to the field across from the farm now. And you'll see there's no crop in the field, and this is where I would like to be doing some landscaping, etc. So this is back to where I would like it, and then pulling off to the side. The storage mod is still empty. Let me just jump out and run across there. So there's only one bale there, but I should have picked up where I was intending to go and create the hay and straw, and then store it away for the animals. Heading down the road, and we'll just have a look at where I had placed the oil mill and potato production. So they're gone now, and I don't have that distraction. And that's how you go back to a previous saved game. Thank you for watching.